Just finished up 69 C10. This one got the full QA1 suspension on it. I just finished up. Double adjustable coilovers. Quick performance, 9-inch rear end. Custom wheels, US mag bastilles. 14-inch Aero Series big brakes. Sway bars front and back. Also did a new front grille on this. Let me pop the hood for you guys. Brother hood hinges, Alice X 454. It's got the shade firewall. Dakota digital, HDXs, vintage air. All this was installed too, custom fitted. That's factory.
Yeah, the sport buckets are definitely going to help you when you're in there. That will be with the torque that this thing generates. You're sliding around.
630 horsepower.
It's also to the sit.
Vintage air.
Yeah,
Wagner Motorsports front accessories. AC all hidden. Beater firewall.
And
Holy high rim intake. I did it. Steering column. Corvette brake booster. It's a runner, man. This one got completed just in over a month. Just getting it appraised right now. So came out nice. Ride height still settling in, so we're still gonna do a final adjustment, but it's looking pretty good. So we'll see what the appraisal comes back on this one. Got the appraisal guy Zach here. It's the man over here in NorCal. All right, man. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. On to the next build.
Okay, I got this put on there.